project here. You've got the road, driveway, and basically they don't want people going in their driveway, so they're gonna extend this parking lot out to this mark here, run it straight to the rock, past the machine there. About this place. The guy that owns this is actually one of my dad's good friends. His equipment is basically how I grew up loving heavy equipment and wanting to run it and everything. So I've got a good relationship with him, and he lets me come load up, screen topsoil, fill, overburn. The runoff from the screen is what we call overburn. And basically lets me come load whatever I need, leave him money, and I write it down in the book, and then I'm on my way. Alright, so we're back at the job here. I'm gonna spread this out, dump the next load off, and see if we need more or not, but I think we're gonna be pretty close. Well, there we have it. I wasn't really supposed to spread the stone out. I was just doing that as a favor to my buddy. But that'll add quite a bit of parking. That stone over there, he's gonna build the fence. He's gonna put it in there by hand. So just load up and get on out of here.